in this country, optional. Yung rich, they will ignore the laws. Kaya natin bayaran na. Dito sa baba, mga kriminal, kagaya rin ninyo, wala naman, because they threatened life. So ang tao, they can do the thing. They say, they do disobey the law. Ang naipit dito, yung mga between the filterates, itong mga kriminal. Walang mapuntahan ng tao. You're up against rich people and they can have their way. And on the other side, you have criminals who can have their way. Ang mga anak natin, binibilihan ng... Kaya mga DOW, they're worried. They're worried about what? They're worried about their children. They work their ass to death. They earn money. Tapos padala dito, only to learn later on yung anak nila, nadulong na siya po, o galing sa eskwela, sasakay ng bus o jeep, sinaksak, binaril. You think it's good? I say presidentiable? I do not need a presidentiable mouth for all I care. I do not have to be refined when I am angry. Maybe when I am in prayer. Kaya mo droga? Presidentiable mouth mo yung droga? Ilang taon na yung droga? Kahit tatanungin ko kayo, utang inang kayo taga gobyerno, military pa ito. Ilang taon na itong problema ng droga? Have you done anything? Tapos may motherhood statement ka na that we are everything. Nandiyan lang kayo. You are in the confines of your office. And you see things which are really to make it appear to the Filipino that everything is okay and everything comes easy. Alam ninyo na hindi totoo yan. You yourself know. Sumama ka sa akin, sunduin kita, maglakad tayo putang ina dito sa Malacanang. Kung saan tayo dumating. We walk the streets. Can a Filipino here in Manila, me, Davaoenyo, can I walk the streets? Can I be sure that I will go home? Not in a cargo plane. Droga nagbabaha, sinasabi ko na. I was warning the national government. Drugs is flooding the country. What are you doing? Yung PDEA mismo lahat nagsabi 90% contaminated na.